Italy chooses to acquire Bayraktar TB3 drones from Turkey for the ITS Cavour aircraft carrier. Italy is moving to integrate Turkish-made Bayraktar TB3 drones into its naval aviation, marking a significant expansion of unmanned capabilities aboard its flagship aircraft carrier, Cavour, according to Italian sources. The announcement came from Italian Navy Chief Admiral Enrico Credendino Berruti Bergato during a parliamentary hearing, where he confirmed that Rome is advancing plans to acquire the Bayraktar TB3 unmanned combat aerial vehicle. The system, developed by Türkiye's Baykar, is expected to operate directly from the deck of the Cavour, enabling both surveillance and strike missions at sea. The move highlights Türkiye's growing influence in advanced defense technologies, particularly in the drone sector, where Baykar has emerged as a global leader. The TB3 is a navalised evolution of the widely exported Bayraktar TB2, which has been deployed in multiple conflict zones and exported to more than 30 countries. Italy is set to become the first European operator of the TB3, underlining rising demand across the continent for combat-proven unmanned systems. According to the Italian Navy, the acquisition will be facilitated through a strategic partnership between Baykar and Italian defense giant Leonardo, reflecting deepening industrial cooperation between Ankara and Rome. Designed specifically for short-deck aircraft carriers such as Türkiye's TCG Anadolu, the TB3 features folding wings, reinforced landing gear, and maritime-adapted systems, allowing it to operate in challenging naval environments. Turkish demonstrations, including deployments during NATO exercises, have showcased the platform's ability to conduct intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance missions, as well as precision strikes. For the Italian Navy, the integration of TB3 drones alongside F-35B fighter jets represents a shift towards a more flexible and layered carrier air wing. The drones can undertake long-endurance missions, expand operational reach, and reduce reliance on costly manned sorties. The development also signals a broader transformation in naval warfare, where unmanned systems are increasingly central to maritime operations. By adopting the TB3, Italy positions itself at the forefront of this shift, while reinforcing Türkiye's role as a key player in shaping the future of global defense technology.